Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. Here's how to automatically number rows in Google Sheets. Let's say we have a list of employees. We want to label them 1, 2, 3. But we don't want to manually type those numbers. There are a couple of ways to do this. Method 1. Use the row function. In the cell where you want numbering to begin, use this formula. I'll include it in the description. Here's what it does. Row open parenthesis. A1 close parenthesis returns the row number of A1. Since A1 is row 1, it returns 1. Now copy and paste this formula down. As you drag it down, a 1 becomes A2. A 2 becomes A3. So the numbers automatically increment. You can drag this all the way down as far as you need. That's method 1. Method 2. Use sequence, fully automatic. There's another way, and this one doesn't require copying and pasting. Use this formula. I'll include this in the description as well. Let me break that down. Counter, A2 to A, counts all of the employee names. 1. Number of columns. 1. Starting number. 1. Step increment. This creates a numbered list that matches however many employees you have. And here's the cool part. There's only one formula. You don't have to drag it down. If we add another employee, let's say Paul, to the bottom of the list, the numbering automatically updates. Isn't that cool? When to use each method. Use row function if you're okay copying formulas down. You want something quick and simple. Use sequence function if you want one clean formula. You want it to automatically expand. You expect the list to grow. That's how to automatically number your rows in Google Sheets. If you want more Google Sheets tips, tricks, and how-tos, subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. Ask me questions down in the comments, and I might feature them in a future video. I'll see you in the next one.